Yoga Burn is a super easy to follow, progressive 12-week follow-along video series that you can do from the comfort of your own home so that you can experience everything the very best yoga has to offer and a lot more. Here's a glimpse at how it works. Yoga Burn is strategically built in 3 unique phases. Phase 1 is called the foundational flow because that is exactly what you'll be building and perfecting. A super solid yoga foundation that allows both beginners and advanced students to immediately experience the most powerful benefits yoga has to offer by using this strategic, enjoyable, yet somewhat uncommon set of sequences. You'll also be introduced to new, unique poses specifically designed to ignite your metabolism and begin tightening your problem areas. You'll be handheld through every sequence so that you execute every move safely, correctly, and in a specific way that promotes a sense of well-being and develops a strong mind-body connection that will help ensure your success in phases 2 and 3. Phase 2 is called the transitional flow and is dedicated to maximizing all of the feel-good benefits traditional yoga can offer while introducing revolutionary body-shaping strategies taught exclusively in Yoga Burn. You'll combine certain moves you learned in Phase 1 into specific sequences that flood your body with mood-enhancing, feel-good energy. Then you'll transition into poses designed to tighten and tone female problem areas, resulting in a body that not only feels better, but looks better too. Learning how to link poses together like this is the secret to reaping the lightning-fast rewards only dynamic sequencing can deliver. And now Phase 3, the mastery flow. This is where the magic really seems to happen with Yoga Burn. It's time to combine all that you've learned from the past 2 phases into sequences that fully fire up your metabolism, tighten and tone your booty, and transform your body in ways you probably have never imagined possible with yoga. Every movement in this phase is custom designed to deliver maximum visual results in the shortest amount of time, so that you're looking and feeling your sexiest no matter what you're wearing, yoga pants, jeans, or even a skirt or dress. And the best part is, you're experiencing all of this while de-stressing your life, improving your mental focus, easing chronic pain and muscle soreness, skyrocketing your happiness, and reinvigorating your life.